Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Europe Tours 2023. This is the fourth episode from Stockholm, Sweden. In this episode, we will go through from the Drottning Gatan, also called like Princess Street, is one of the most popular area in Stockholm, middle in the town, where you can find all kind of brands, shopping malls, restaurants, five-star hotels, everything you can find here. So let's start here, and rest of the things you can find out yourself when you will be here one day, hopefully. So have a look. After visiting Drottning Gatan, now we came to another place called Authoriet. This is popular for its open shops, like small as you can see left side. And very in front of you can see the building is called Filmstaden. It means is like cinema, and there is I think 10 to 12 houses inside where you can watch different kind of movies. I was there, and yesterday we watched movie there, and now we will continue. As you can see, there's so many flowers stalls, and you can find um, very beautiful buckets, and prices are also very reasonable as comparison to the shops. So as we are going walking through, you can see left right many flower shops, and I think looks very beautiful, and prices are also reasonable. Now we are continuing, and as we are continue, in front of me you see one building is called Stockholm Concert Hall, which is very old and very popular, but unfortunately we didn't went inside. This is I think it's a small boilers and everything. This is some stuff for kids, like, and here you can see some fruit like berries and this kind of, and here this is a Stockholm Concert Hall. Sounds very beautiful, but unfortunately we don't have time to go inside and watch in detail, but here I can show you a little. After Hathoriet, now we come outside the Swedish Parliament building. It's in front of me. You can see. Before that, I want to show you some other views from the left side. But it's all in front of me is the Swedish Parliament, which is very beautiful. Looks outside, and definitely it should be good inside as well. And as you can see, it's a great piece of work. And right side also some famous buildings. And now we will continue through the Swedish Parliament building. They come out from the Swedish Parliament building area. You can see the very left side, it's Royal Palace, as I showed you in my previous video as well. It's a wonderful place to visit when you come in, especially in the summertime. Now we are opposite side of the Royal Palace. It's all famous hotels, 5-star hotels. It's very popular. As we will continue, you can see the small boats where you can take a ride to the small islands lies in the middle in the Stockholm, which is not so far, like 1 hour boat ride. You can reach there, and they are wonderful to visit. As I visited 2 times there. Now we reach outside the National Museum of Stockholm. We went inside and it was a maze to be there, and I hope you saw my video as well. I upload part 1, National Museum Stockholm, and it was a great experience really. Now we will continue to watch little around and let's see what we can find more interesting. You can see the Stockholm all around is surrounding in all the old buildings, Parliament, Royal Palace, five-star hotels. Royal Park is lying right side of me, and I will show you another video. And this is a boat, I think. You can take a ride as well, and we will continue. Let's see what we can find more. Guys, I know it's very windy today, and but I hope that you like the video. I tried my best to show you the important places in the Stockholm middle in the town. And for example, in future, if you want to come here and want to visit the Stockholm town, so you have a little idea regarding to the like Royal Palace, like the famous street of Drottning Gatan, which is means Princess Street, and some other areas. And I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you like my video, you subscribe my channel, and you give me a positive feedback so I can continue to make good videos. Guys, we will continue our Europe tour, and see you in the next video in another country with a new information. Till then, have a very nice time, and still I will wait for your positive comments and feedbacks. So take care. Bye bye.